Okay, so we have a pretty amazing GT Skyloft 2 mounted on a Volvo XC60. And this is the longest roof tent that I ever seen. It's about 3.5 meters in length and more than 2 meters on the widest part. And this is the actual looks when it's folded. And we shall be getting a look inside so we can understand how this complete setup looks. Okay, so we have the inflatable roof tent and I will be going up so, well, understand actually how big it is. And you can sleep probably 6 people here, or actually 2 adults and 3 kids, or 2 kids, and have a sky loft view of your complete camping ground. That's a big, great camping tent. And the mattress is also pretty good. I think it's inflated, but nevertheless, pretty good. I will be going down because this awning setup is also great, and getting a look from the outer part. This is amazingly big. It's called the Gentle Tent Skyloft. And you can reach up also from this side up and add an additional awning right up here. And I will be climbing from this side so you get an understanding on how big this complete situation. Pretty amazing with the GT Skyloft on a Volvo XC60. The biggest tent that I ever saw for a pop roof design. And the complete tent is just only 70 kilos. And it's mounted on a standard roof bar situation that every car has it. And then you actually fix it in place also with this part, so they take some of the weight, not just the actual roof of your car. Pretty awesome.